We're taking pictures of these objects with astonishing precision. It's like, whoa.
There are some shocking truths from deep space that Bill Nye just told us that could change the way we think about the world. The James Webb Space Telescope has taken pictures from more than 13 billion years ago that reveal amazing things about the universe. What if these old lights are the key to puzzles we haven't thought of yet? What secret threats might these new views of the universe be showing us? Let's look into these new discoveries and think about how they might change what we know about the universe. The universe 13.4 billion years ago. The James Webb Space Telescope is finding out amazing new things about galaxies, planets, and other things in space. It is not only a great research tool, but also seen as a suitable replacement for the Hubble Space Telescope. But what pictures from the James Webb Space Telescope are making us question what we thought we knew? Also, what does Bill Nye think about all of this? How about we take a better look? Scientists and engineers at NASA worked very hard to make the James Webb Space Telescope. It was launched safely on Christmas Day in 2021. Over the next few months, setting up the telescope went off without a hitch. It was fully operational by the end of June 2022, and scientists started finding thousands of new galaxies. Some of these galaxies are older and farther away than any we've seen before. Some may have formed more than 150 million years before Hubble found the oldest galaxies. But the telescope does more than just look for galaxies far away. It can also gather light from things in space like exoplanets and young stars, which helps us figure out what they are made of and how they move through space. Bill Nye says that this data is starting to give us more information about the atmospheres of planets hundreds of light years away, which helps us guess what those atmospheres might be like. We now know more about the world thanks to this discovery, which could change the way we think about the chance of life beyond Earth. Still, this isn't the most surprising part. The Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula is one of the most famous pictures taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. It was possible to see these beautiful clouds, but no one knew what was going on inside them. We can finally see inside with the Webb telescope's images, which show us many protostars. The size of these groups of dust and gas is much bigger than our solar system. They look like small red dots on top of the dark pillars. These dots are young stars that are just getting started. As you can see, these new stars haven't started to burn hydrogen yet. Bill Nye says that their cores get heavier as they gather more matter. At some point, the density will be high enough to start burning hydrogen, which will make them about 2 million degrees Celsius hotter. The infrared bands that we can't usually see are shown in these pictures by different colors. For instance, what the picture shows as blue would look red to the human eye. The colors change depending on the amount of radiation the protostars, which are shown in red, give off. These protostars give off radiation with a wavelength that is about 6 times longer than what our eyes can see. But that's not the only amazing thing about this picture. The Webb telescope does more than just take pretty pictures. It also helps us figure out how stars like our Sun might have come to be. We now know of more than 3,000 exoplanets, which are planets outside of our solar system. The search for them began in the 1990s. Most of these planets were found by accident. People noticed that their stars looked a little less bright when they passed in front of them. The Webb telescope, on the other hand, is changing this by taking pictures of these faraway worlds directly. This gives us new information about the universe beyond our solar system. We should look into how new tools are making space bigger. In September of last year, scientists got a good look at CHIP 65426b, an exoplanet that was first found in 2017. To get a good look at the planet, they blocked out the star's bright light with high-tech cameras. They were able to take pictures of the planet, which is 100 times farther away from its star than Earth is from the Sun. With the help of special cameras and filters, they discovered that this planet, 12 times bigger than Jupiter, is a huge gas giant. If you look at the Phantom Galaxy through the Webb telescope's infrared powers, you can see how bright it is, even though it is mostly hidden in space. The galaxy shines from the middle, making a beautiful view with its big circular shape and long arms of stars. This galaxy, also called M74, has also been captured in great detail by the Hubble telescope. However, new pictures from the Webb cameras show even more detail. They reveal how dust and gas that give off heat are arranged in intricate designs. A bright electric blue glow from the center of these patterns lights up the star-forming areas along the spiral arms in a way we've never seen before. Researchers from the European Space Agency, as part of an international project called PHNGS, have created stunning images using both the Hubble and Webb cameras. This project has photographed 19 close galaxies actively forming stars in infrared using a variety of cameras. Scientists can use Webb's sharp, detailed pictures to find out where stars are born, learn about the age and size of star groups, and study the dust between stars. There was something even more interesting, though. In July of last year, a picture of Wolf-Rayet, a faraway star, showed a special pattern around it. This pattern is called Webb's distinctive diffraction pattern. It appears as rings or waves, revealing a large amount of hydrogen in space around Wolf-Rayet stars, which are very massive and nearing the end of their lives. The rings around this star, W40, are caused by its interaction with a smaller nearby star, making space dance in an extraordinary way. This remarkable sight is just one of the ways Webb is helping us learn more about the universe by allowing us to explore faraway galaxies and uncover strange cosmic events. Four of the oldest galaxies we've ever seen were discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope. These galaxies appear as they were 13.4 billion years ago, meaning we are looking back to a time when the universe was only 350 million years old, or 2% of its present age. Scientists are studying what these ancient galaxies have in common with others discovered by Webb. Using cutting-edge tools like the JWST Advanced Deep Extragalactic Survey and the Near-Infrared Spectrograph, they can determine how fast these galaxies are moving away from us. This process, called redshift, causes the light emitted by these galaxies to become longer and redder. The galaxy with the highest redshift value observed so far has a redshift of 13.2, meaning it is much farther and older than previously thought. Through spectral analysis, scientists can now not only find these distant galaxies, but also accurately measure their distances. That's not the only cool thing Webb has been doing. In a different part of the sky, Webb observed a planet in the constellation Virgo orbiting a star. This planet, WASP-39b, is 700 light-years away, which is relatively close in cosmic terms. It orbits its star very closely, making it a rough, inhospitable place. Although it is about the size of Saturn, WASP-39b is extremely hot. Its thick atmosphere is filled with clouds of sulfur compounds and silicates like sulfur dioxide. Webb's main camera and spectrographs detected carbon dioxide in the planet's atmosphere for the first time, providing new insights into the atmospheres of worlds beyond our solar system. This combination of studying the universe's history and analyzing alien planets highlights how valuable the telescope is in expanding our understanding of both the early universe and complex planetary systems. Webb's discoveries are just the beginning of what it can uncover. For instance, researchers used Webb to learn about Titan, Saturn's moon, which has rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane and ethane. In November, Webb detected methane clouds over Titan, including one over Kraken Mare, Titan's largest sea. Observations from the Keck Observatory 2 days later revealed changes in the cloud's shape, suggesting movement or new cloud formation. Meanwhile, the Southern Ring Nebula turned out to be far more complex than initially thought. Previously assumed to be a simple white dwarf, new Webb images revealed intricate structures. Using its near-infrared camera and mid-infrared instrument, Webb provided unprecedented detail, showing gas and dust interactions. Additionally, Webb discovered a strange object, VHS 1256b, which is a brown dwarf rather than a planet. It exhibited unique features like silica clouds and a red glow caused by fusion. Studies revealed its atmosphere contained water, methane, carbon dioxide, and potassium, indicating turbulent mixing. Webb has also enabled groundbreaking observations of exoplanet atmospheres, like WASP-96b, located over 1,000 light-years away. Initially thought to have clear skies, Webb found water vapor and a foggy atmosphere, challenging earlier assumptions. This discovery has prompted scientists to re-examine older data and explore the possibility of life on distant planets. If methane is detected on a planet, it could be a sign of life, fundamentally changing how we view the universe and our place in it.